Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to VidHacks, the channel that's all about teaching you how to grow your YouTube channel and increase your subscribers. I'm your host, and today, we're going to be sharing some tips and tricks that have helped us to build our channel and gain more subscribers. If you're a new YouTuber or struggling to get views and subscribers, then this video is for you. We're going to be covering everything from optimizing your videos for search, to promoting your channel and engaging with your audience. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Optimize your videos for search. The first thing you need to do to grow your YouTube channel is to optimize your videos for search. This means making sure your video titles, descriptions, and tags are all optimized for the keywords and phrases that people are searching for. Your video title should be catchy and accurately describe what your video is about. Your description should be detailed and include relevant keywords, but also be engaging and informative for viewers. And your tags should include a mix of broad and specific keywords that accurately describe your video. When you optimize your videos for search, you're making it easier for people to find your content when they're searching for something on YouTube. This can help you get more views and ultimately, more subscribers. Create high-quality content. The next thing you need to do to grow your YouTube channel is to create high-quality content. This means investing time and effort into creating videos that are engaging, informative, and entertaining for your viewers. When you create high-quality content, you're building a loyal audience that will keep coming back for more. This can help you to increase your views and subscribers over time. So, what makes a video high quality? It's all about providing value to your viewers. Whether you're teaching them something new, entertaining them, or inspiring them, your videos should provide some kind of value that makes them want to keep watching and subscribing. Promote your channel. Another way to grow your YouTube channel is to promote it. There are many different ways you can promote your channel, from social media to collaborations with other YouTubers. One of the easiest ways to promote your channel is to use social media. Share your videos on your personal accounts and ask your friends and family to share them too. You can also join relevant Facebook groups and subreddits and share your content there. Collaborating with other YouTubers is another great way to promote your channel. Reach out to other YouTubers in your niche and see if they're interested in collaborating on a video. This can help you to reach a new audience and potentially gain new subscribers. Engage with your audience. Finally, one of the most important things you can do to grow your YouTube channel is to engage with your audience. When you engage with your audience, you're building a relationship with them and creating a sense of community around your channel. There are many different ways you can engage with your audience, from responding to comments to hosting live streams. When you engage with your audience, you're showing them that you care about them and value their input. So, those are some tips and tricks for growing your YouTube channel and increasing your subscribers. Remember to optimize your videos for search, create high-quality content, promote your channel, and engage with your audience. With a little time and effort, you can build a successful YouTube channel that will help you to achieve your goals. Thanks for watching this video on how to grow your YouTube channel and increase your subscribers. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And if you have any tips or tricks for growing a YouTube channel, feel free to leave them in the comments below. We love hearing from you.